Jurors are entering their second day of testimony today in the murder trial of Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer charged in George Floyd's death. The trial is one of the most closely watched court cases in decades. Good morning and welcome to VS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines for March 30th, 2021. Opening statements got underway on Monday in the murder trial of Derek Chauvin. It is alleged he killed George Floyd by kneeling on his neck for 9 minutes and 29 seconds. Prosecutors wasted no time showing jurors the video that was taken by a bystander and captured Floyd's final moments. They played the video during their opening statements, calling the white officer's actions against a black suspect murder. The jury heard Floyd say, "I can't breathe," 27 times. Defense attorneys countered during their opening statement that Chauvin was doing his job and what he had been trained to do over the course of his 19-year career. The defense attorney disputed that Chauvin was to blame for Floyd's death, and he pointed out that Floyd had fentanyl and methamphetamine in his system, suggesting that his drug use combined with heart disease, high blood pressure, and adrenaline caused a heart rhythm disturbance that killed him. After opening statements, the jury heard from several witnesses as prosecutors began laying out their case. They heard from a cashier at a gas station across the street who filmed the encounter. They heard from a 911 dispatcher who testified she saw part of Floyd's arrest on city surveillance camera and was so disturbed about the use of force, she called a duty sergeant. They also heard from a bystander who was trained in martial arts, including chokeholds. He testified that Chauvin appeared to increase pressure on Floyd's neck several times. The mixed martial artist is on the stand this morning. 14 jurors or alternates are hearing the case, 8 of them white, 6 of them black or multiracial. Only 12 will deliberate. Barbed wire and concrete barriers surround the Minneapolis courthouse where the trial is being held. There's also a heavy presence of the National Guard, who will attempt to keep the peace over the next 4 weeks. Stay tuned. This is one the world is watching. Thanks for joining us today on VS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read our VS News Desk blog on our website, versus texas.com. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for watching.